Going on YouTube, I'm coming to you with a 2004 Acura RL. I'm trying to change the starter out, but in order to do that, I got to first remove the alternator. And in order to get the alternator out, you got to get this bracket out. And this bracket is a beast. It's pretty hard because there's 3 bolts on the underside of here, 2 of which aren't that hard to get, but there's one in a very peculiar spot and angle. What I had to use was a 12mm 1/4" socket with this 1/4" universal joint. I was able to finally get in there and get it loose, and now I can twist the rest loose by hand. There's no video on Facebook, on YouTube that talks about how to do it, so if somebody else can benefit, then I'm glad to be able to pay back those who have helped me here on YouTube. Alright, appreciate it.